Most people these days are looking for the smart investment choices. While some people do research and invest on their own, others depend on investment management firms to do the bidding for them. To know how one of the world's best investment firms invest, stay tuned till the end of the video, as we are going to reveal their strategies of investing. Hello future billionaires! Welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle. The channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. So let's dive into the topic, shall we? For those of you who aren't familiar with what an investment firm is, it is a firm that invests its clients' money. They choose the proper selection of investments, from fast-growing, risky stocks to safe but slow-growing bonds. Investment management firms work for all different types of clients. Some focus on wealthy individual investors. The concept is most often used to describe the management of an investment portfolio's assets and the trading of such holdings to achieve a particular investment goal. Money management, fund management, and asset management are all terms used to describe investment management. We're pretty sure most of you have probably heard about ARK Investment Management. For those of you who haven't, don't worry, that's what we're here for. ARK Investment Management is a New York City-based investment management company that operates several actively managed exchange-traded funds. Cathie Wood founded it in 2014. The firm had $50 billion in assets under administration as of February 2021. Cathie Wood left AllianceBernstein, where she was Chief Investment Officer of Global Thematic Strategies, in 2014 after her idea for actively managed exchange-traded funds based on disruptive innovation was deemed too risky. She founded ARK Invest. The Ark of the Covenant inspired the company's name. At the time of the founding, Wood, a devout Christian, was reading the Bible. In addition, the company manages two index funds, the 3D Printing Exchange-Traded Fund, which debuted in 2016, and the Israel Innovative Technology Exchange-Traded Fund, which debuted in 2017. With $17 billion in assets under management and a 170% return in 2020, the Innovation ETF became the largest actively managed exchange-traded funds in December 2020. The firm became one of the top 10 issuers of exchange-traded funds on January 11, 2021. ARK Invest is a venture capital firm that specializes in disruptive technologies. Artificial intelligence, DNA sequencing, gene editing, robotics, electric cars, energy storage, fintech, 3D printing, and blockchain technology are among those innovations. It has also made a cryptocurrency investment. The firm invests in securities that it expects to double in value over the next 5 years. ARK publishes current research, transactions, and portfolios, and makes its research reviews available to the general public. ARK hires scientists and computer scientists in addition to financial analysts so they can help measure the effect of emerging technology. The majority of the company's analysts are millennials with no previous experience on Wall Street. Since we have our basics right, let's talk about the topic, shall we? What is the latest investment done by ARK? Or which stock did they add to their exchange-traded fund? For those unfamiliar, ARK Invest added 3.6 million shares of NNDM. Moomoo Inc. offers an easy-to-use and versatile technology platform for trading stock. It is not a broker-dealer or an investment advisor, and it does not provide investments or financial advice or sell securities. Nano Dimension Ltd. is a company that specializes in 3D printing. The company focuses on 3D printed electronics research and development, including the development of nanotechnology-based inks and a printer for multi-layer printed circuit boards. Nano Dimension's nano inks are also used in other areas of the electronics industry. NNDM posted $3.34 million in sales for the entire year, down from $7 million in 2019. Officials at the company blame the drop on the COVID-19 pandemic. The company lost $48.49 million, or $1.13 per share, for the entire year. The NNDM stock price estimate for 2026-0501 is $50.981 US, based on predictions of a long-term rise. The revenue is estimated to be around plus 643.16% after a 5-year investment. In 2026, your present $100 investment will be worth $743.16. Nano Dimension, a certified US Department of Defense vendor with a CAGE code, helps defense companies meet strict timelines, produce fully functional electronic circuitry, and project their security-sensitive and proprietary designs. Nano Dimensions appears to position its products and services as a viable alternative to ordering prototype PCBs from traditional PCB manufacturers. As an electrical engineer, I don't see how circuit boards shaped like solid 3D artifacts will be useful in modern consumer or industrial electronics. Instead, folded rigid flex PCBs would likely remain the more cost-effective option. There is an elephant in the building, which ARK Invest was aware of before embarking on their Nano Dimension stock purchase binge. Do you recall the last slide in the Tesla Battery Day presentation, where they discussed making the battery pack a load-bearing component of the vehicle? Circuit boards may be used as a load-bearing structure in a communication satellite. The satellite structure must keep the circuit boards and other parts of the satellite together and protect them from G-forces and vibration during the rocket launch in a traditional satellite. The circuit boards themselves could become the satellite structure in a 3D printed design. Large chunks of material containing circuits and antennas and probably other parts of the satellite may be printed as solid chunks of material. This will result in a reduction in size and weight. The need for fuel for orbital station keeping is reduced as the weight of the satellite system decreases, lowering the total mass of the satellite even further. Also, note that SpaceX has yet to build and launch about 11,000 satellites for their Starlink network. Nano Dimensions was purchased by the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotic Exchange Traded Fund. This purchase would have been worth about $5.25 million at Tuesday's closing price. Even though this is just a small portion of the overall holdings, every little bit helps. The CEO and founder of ARK Funds spoke about the company's past last week. Wood also discussed some of the reasons why ARK holds a number of positions. Several ARK exchange-traded funds are invested in Nano Dimensions. It used to be known as a 3D printed circuit manufacturer. Nano Dimension has now expanded its vision to include a 3D printed technology device business. One of the essential things about the Nano Dimension story is the contracts they are winning from defense agencies. "We always look for where the defense is putting their money," Wood said. Based on the above data, it is clear why ARK Invest Management bought a significant part of Nano Dimension Limited. It is safe to say that the CEO of ARK Investment, Cathie Woods, had done her fair share of homework and waited until the prices fell before she invested a significant amount in the company. She further speculates that Nano Dimensions is set to reach new heights, and the prices will skyrocket through the roof once they acquire defense contracts given by the government. Cathie Woods has always been known for her smart investment choices and her ability to acquire shares in a diplomatic manner. With lots of experience on her hands, her methods or decisions are never questioned by her investors or her co-workers for that matter. Cathie has rightly earned that right. She is the backbone of ARK Investment Limited and is the sole reason for the company being famous. ARK is a trusted brand figure for many clients throughout the world, and it continues to enjoy investor confidence. ARK Investment Limited saw potential in Nano Dimension Limited and decided to invest in the company for the same. This news spread far and wide, and people all over the world started investing in Nano Dimension. Also, since Nano Dimension gets defense contracts from the government, increasing its capital and share value is certain. So, for those of you looking for a safe investment with guaranteed returns, we suggest you invest in Nano Dimension, because experts and economics worldwide have kept a close eye on the company's chart and recent graphs, and the data seems to be promising. Although the prices dropped due to the COVID pandemic, the prices will skyrocket soon. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. See you soon.